Exponential growth as everything looks okay until suddenly it doesn't.
The White House is now preparing for a potential resurgence of the disease later this year.
We are filling the stockpile in anticipation of a possible problem in the fall. We're doing everything we can beneath the surface, working as hard as we possibly can.
Florida reported more than 4,000 new cases on Saturday, a record for the state. Governor Ron DeSantis attributes it to more people being screened for the virus as they return to work.
You're seeing way more kind of widespread surveillance testing going on. So that's a big difference from where we were in the beginning of March.
Some experts believe the public needs to be reminded to practice basic infection control.
We should be encouraging people to wear face coverings, to stay at a distance, to avoid large gatherings, to use hand sanitizer or wash your hands. I mean, those are things that we know work.
On Sunday, the World Health Organization said the global number of coronavirus cases had jumped by over 183,000 during the previous 24 hours. It was the biggest one-day increase since the pandemic began. Laura Podesta, CBS News.
The Centers for Disease Control is planning to update its recommendations on masks. Researchers have been conducting a scientific review of face coverings during the coronavirus pandemic. Last week, California Governor Gavin Newsom mandated masks for anyone in public. Here in Nevada, Governor Steve Sisolak says he's currently talking with medical experts before making a similar order. New York City hits a key point today. For the first time in 3 months, New Yorkers can actually dine out, although they can only use outdoor tables at restaurants. Shoppers can once again browse inside stores, and people can get haircuts once again at salons. New York State's responsible for nearly a quarter of all U.S. coronavirus deaths. Nate.
5:07 on your Monday morning. We're back here at home now talking about the Culinary Union expected to demand more protections for local casino workers. The union planning a press event at noon. Leaders say they're glad the Gaming Control Board now requires masks for all gamblers at table games, and they want that extended to include anybody who might come into contact with a bartender, a food server, folks at the front desk, other employees. The union says that workers and their families deserve more protections.